Hello, my dear students. This is your science friend from scientificstudents.com. So, this is packet received from Bazar. So, I'm just unboxing it to show you what all the materials I have ordered for you guys to make new projects. Okay, so Bazar asked me to record one unboxing video and then share with them, so that they wanted to know how the materials have reached, right? So, but my interest is make you guys understand what all the various parts I have ordered for you guys to celebrate Dr. Kalam's 93rd birthday in an innovative way. You see how many different parts have come for you guys to explore. You see? Oh, sponge. Oh, there are so many small parts, right? Okay. So I hope you are enjoying, my dear children. Even I am too. Because selecting the components for various projects is one interesting and part of my activity, and after that waiting for such a long time to receive this package. Long wait periods. So after that, finding all the components physically. Oh, this is volt ampere meter. Oh, interesting. So there are so many components. Arre wow. My dear friends, you all can make some interesting different robot chassis robots you can make. Interesting. And wow, this is very interesting. This is going to help me now and then, because this is a keychain convex lens. As I became older, so this is needed to see any small parts, or whether you have done a soldering properly or not. So this is a magnifying glass, keychain magnifying glass. Wow. Oh, this is very, very interesting. Okay, protection board for batteries. Oh, very cute. See? So many things. Oh, these are the most interesting fellows for you guys. So instead of using AAA batteries, these days we use this lithium-ion batteries, the bigger ones, no? So this is to solder them. And oh, your most interesting BO motors also have come. BO motors. Wheels. The BO motor wheels. You like these wheels, no? You always use the wheels for BO motors. A bigger battery cage. So 4 such lithium-ion 3.7 volts batteries are in series. So you can get good voltage and currents. Okay, good. And oh, that batteries, lithium-ion batteries, 3.7 2000 milliampere batteries. Okay. Oh, some blue color wheels for you guys. Oh, interesting. Oh, the geared motors for building your robots, right? Geared motors. So this is 12 volts And what RPM I ordered? Maybe 45 RPM I ordered. Interesting. And there are many small parts for connectors. Whatnot. Oh, this is 3 batteries holder. So 3.7 volt batteries are in series. Oh, this is a roller for your robots. Oh, there are so many clip wires, very useful for your making projects. Oh, this is Makey. Oh, this is Makey. Very interesting. I'll explain. I'll prepare another next good video about this Makey. You'll enjoy this. Very good. So there are many parts. Are motors? Yeah. You all like motors, no? The pumps and the motors. Oh, very interesting. You'll enjoy them. Power sockets. Okay. And there are many small parts. I have to open them and see. What is this bigger one? One bigger one is there. Oh, this is your speaker. Because I am taking one particular class on sound. Okay. Oh. So this is woofer. This is a woofer to produce low frequency sounds in a better way. So I'm going to demonstrate to my students. And oh, this is most interesting. Digital vernier calipers. Wow, what an interesting instrument it is. So we can use this. Yeah, very interesting. So some instruments, some sensors, some battery management systems, some geared wheels, geared motors, and remote controlled bulbs and whatnot. There are many. I have to open them and see. Oh, they are the geared motors, metallic geared motors for you guys, because I always present a lot of students, a lot of motors and various things. So I said, this is some big box. What is? Oh, this is the mosquito killer. So I'll open them and show you all that. Oh, there are 2 robot chassis. Okay, then finally I think most of the things have come as per the order. I have to cross check them individually, go by one by one. These are the clamps for holding the motors. Okay then. Oh, the safety glasses also have come. I can present to my students while they are working on my projects. Very good. That's very interesting. Okay, then get back to you soon. So I hope you enjoyed my selections for the Dasra holidays to be tinkered well. On this 15th of October 2024, we are going to celebrate Dr. Kalam's 93rd birthday in a most innovative way with using all these parts. So let me tinker many projects and share with you all. Thank you watching for this video, and signing off, your science friend Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy tinkering. Keep innovating. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Jai Bharat. Bye-bye.